What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fatkat, of course. Man, so as you see, man, I'm in a little escalator thing. Just landed in Dallas. So I'm about to go pick up this rental car, man, and then probably be here. I'm gonna be here for like about maybe 2 or 3 days. And that's it, man. So let's check out the city to see what kind of car we can get. Also tonight, man, we're gonna go meet up with MOD2FAME. So he's having like a little pop-up meet around the area later on tonight, and we're gonna go check that out, man. So if you guys don't know who MOD2FAME is, Stefan from MOD2FAME to be more exact. I don't know where you've been, man, because it's a channel, man. It's a really cool channel. They've been blowing up here in the last, well, actually probably over the last year, but they're really starting to gain traction now over the last few months, man. They've been starting to gain a lot of traction. So if you don't know, man, go and check them out. I'm gonna put it down at the bottom of the screen, of course. MOD2FAME, man, go check them out. Anyway, man, let's go get this rental car, and then we'll check that out, and then we'll go later on tonight, man. Damn, Buster's over here acting crazy. Yeah, man, so we'll check that out, and then we'll go check out MOD2FAME later on, man. Let's go. All right, man, so let's see what they got. This is not my first time in Dallas, but this is my first time picking up a car in Dallas, a rental car. So let's see, man. I don't see nothing good yet. Man, all this stuff looks weak, man. I don't got nothing. Oh, this is whack. All right, guys, man, they don't have nothing here. So where would you go? Would you go with the Camry or the Impala? I'm very disappointed in this national here, the rental car in Dallas. The airport, that is. I think I'm gonna go with the Impala, man. All right, y'all, man, so you guys see, man, I got I got stuck with this Impala, but I mean, I guess it could be worse. They didn't really have anything on the lot, man, like literally nothing, like a bunch of Altimas and, you know, like small SUVs and things like that. So they had a few, I guess, they had a few Challengers on there, RT Challengers, but I don't know, they were saying they weren't for rent, so I don't know if they were like on hold or what. So I don't know, man, but anyway, so I got this Impala, and this is what I'll be using for the next, you know, couple days while I'm here. Like I said, man, well, I'm getting ready to drive down to the hotel. It's about a 30-minute drive, man, so I'm gonna take this little drive through town or on the highway, whatever, and get to the hotel, relax for a little bit, and then head out to that MOD2FAME pop-up meet. So make sure you guys stay tuned, man. Like I said, if you haven't seen their page for whatever reason, MOD2FAME, I'm gonna put on the bottom of the screen. My boy Stefan, man, he does great work. You know, they cover a lot of different areas and a lot of different things. So anyway, man, so we're gonna go check that out a little bit later, man, so you can make sure you guys stay tuned. Oh man, just finished eating. my dude Scott over here, man, who lives here in Dallas. Haven't seen him, well, shit, a couple months. Yeah. Yeah, haven't seen him in a couple months, man. But yeah, so now we're walking over here to like I said, the MOD2FAME little meetup. You see him over there. Demonology is here too, man, so we're gonna check him out.
Hey man, you got your pretty socks on, brother. Pretty. Oh! Come on, bro. I got you, brother. I got you. Bro, so I just told me they were pink. I got here about an hour and a half early. Hey man, Glaze, yeah, SRTology, man, that's Glaze the Fame. Hey man, this dude, hey man, we finna go to the Dunkin' Donuts tonight. We not. See what they got going on there at 8 o'clock. We not. We not. He said, where the holes at? We not. That's what he wants to be. When are you not? We not. That's not happening. Hey, boy, that's not happening.
That's what they do, man. Everybody say like it's a bunch of news reporters.
Boy, you lucky Gladys even let you come out with this Volkswagen. I ain't even Hey man, look at it. Hey man, look at it. Look at it. He come out here with the Volkswagen. Who drove the Volkswagen? His mother-in-law. Hey man, that Gladys car. Gladys missing.
Wow.
Hey man. Right now. Hey baby.
Old people make.
Yo,
what up, man?
good, brother? How you
Chilling,
doing,
man.
Where you at? Where you at?
I'm in Tampa, bro.
Hey,
Oh, out here? Now I'm from Tampa. I'm the dude that hit you up, Fatkat, 8181.
Oh, okay.
Outside my so nasty.
It's a different tone. That's that LS. That's that LS sound. That LS sound. LS sound is classic.
Hey, bro. Hey, I knew you was gonna be raw because you didn't even wash your shit. Oh man, what a great time, man, I had today. Man, I'm back in the hotel room right now. I want to say thank you to first of all, everybody that checked in and watched this video, but I also want to send a special shout out to Stephen from MOD2FAME, Demonology, Race X. I mean, man, pretty much everybody that was out there at the pop-up meet today with MOD2FAME, man, and we had a great time. I was out there talking crap, you know, being that I live in Tampa now and everything else. I was out there, and then on top of that, I'm a Giants fan, so I was out there talking a lot of noise and everything else, man. But you know, everybody took it all in good fun, man. So it was all good, man. Had a great time, met some great people, connected with some great people as well. So I can't wait to, you know, collab with them or see them again in the future, in the near future, and pretty much do some other things with all these people, man. But anyway, other than that, man, again, I had a great time. I want to send a special thank you and a shout out again to MOD2FAME. If you haven't checked out their, you know, his, what's a whole team of them actually, obviously, but if you haven't checked out their YouTube page, man, make sure you go check it out. Again, I'll have it on the bottom of the page. Also Demonology, he's doing a lot of big things with his demon, so make sure you go check him out for whatever reason if you haven't seen those guys yet on YouTube. But anyway, man, other than that, man, I appreciate it again. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, as I always say. Share with all your friends and your family, your mammy, your pappy, your uncle, your aunt, your auntie, again, depending on where you're from. You know, your cousins, tu primo, tu prima, tu mamá, tu papá, todo mundo. So that's everybody, right? So yeah, make sure you guys share this with everybody you know. Got a lot of plans coming. As soon as I get back, I'm doing those mods that we're doing for the 500, for the 1,000. Like literally as soon as I get back. So it's already all said and done. So as soon as I get back, the car is gonna go in and get what it needs to get done. And then so that should be, you know, within a couple of days. As soon as I get back, man, we'll have all that stuff on the car, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna enjoy it, man. So make sure you guys go check that out. Like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss it, man. Trust me. I got a lot of plans for this car, man, and especially meeting all these people out here today. You know, out here in Dallas at the pop-up meet, man. I got a lot of inspiration, and man, I just want to make. I'm gonna make this thing be a beast, man. Trust me. That's all I'm gonna say on that. All right, man. Appreciate you guys again for watching, man. We see you guys on the next one, man. Later.